sister, brother, you need to be consistent. Everybody comes on YouTube and says, be consistent, be consistent. Don't rely on your friends or family to subscribe to your channel. Amen. Amen. Plans are established by seeking advice. If you wage war, obtain guidance. Proverbs 20:18. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel and you're seeing my face for the first time, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also click the notification bell and like this video. Ooh, my voice there. If you're already a subscriber and you're here to watch this video again, thank you guys so much. You guys are the real MVP. You already know that, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 things I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channel. Obviously, this is going to be really helpful for beginners, people that are starting the YouTube channel, that are yet to start the YouTube channel. So yeah, if you're interested in this video and you want to know 5 things I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channels then definitely keep on watching. So guys, let me just give you guys a little background. Let's backtrack a little bit. Yeah, so I started my channel in 2020 or 2019, guys. I can't remember. I'll leave it on the screen. So I have 2 channels. Yeah, this is my second channel, and this channel is for beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, DIY, all the shenanigans and good stuff. The other channel is what I started. The other channel as well with, you know, doing all that, but I eventually digressed into another thing. So on that channel I do Big Brother Nigeria and yeah, just news content in Nigeria. I wanted to start my YouTube channel in 2014. That was when I graduated from uni. I obviously studied mass communication as well, so that's obviously related with what I'm doing now. But I didn't have all the things I needed. I'm talking way back before, you know, the rules of you have to have 4,000 watch hour, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and all that jazz came in. That was when Jenny Jenkins, Patricia, Jackie Aina, Destiny, you know, the Black Queens, they were the one ruling YouTube back then. So, but I didn't have all the things I wanted. I didn't have a camera. My phone was really crap. I was using a BlackBerry. I was using iPhone 5 and it was always getting hot. I kid you not. I buy new batteries for this phone like literally every 2 months or every 3 months and stuff. So yeah, I didn't start and I just kept procrastinating. So guys, my first point is just start. Don't make excuses, just do it, okay? Just do it. Start the YouTube channel. Don't wait for the perfect time. I was waiting for the perfect time. I was waiting till I get camera. I was waiting till I get lights. Obviously all those things are really good because you need them, but then like if you're waiting for everything to be perfect, then you're never gonna start anything. Like just do it, okay? Start the YouTube channel now. If you've been thinking about it for the longest time, don't think about it anymore. As I'm talking to you right now, just get your laptop, get whatever, just open the YouTube channel. Obviously you have a channel already, but just register the channel, because if you're watching me then you definitely have a channel. Just register, do what you love. You know, you can get paid doing what you love. If I had started back then, I wouldn't have to stress with the getting 1,000 subscribers, getting 4,000 watch hour and stuff like that. I would have just surpassed. My channel would have been, you know, been like by God's grace, if I had started back then, which is still going to happen now obviously by God's grace, but if I had started then, like my channel would have gotten obviously more views, more subscribers, you know. Who knows where I would have been by now. But anyways, yeah, just like I said, just do it. Don't think about it. Don't wait till you get lights. Don't wait till you get the proper camera. If you have an iPhone right now, or you've got an Android phone and that is really sharp, like, you know, you can capture things perfectly, just do it. You can get a little tripod. You can get a tripod like $10, $5 and stuff. Go on AliExpress, buy all these mini little things that you think you need. I got my first ring light on AliExpress literally for I think like $23 or less than that. And yeah, before I got, you know, the different lights and stuff. And by the way, if you guys want me to do my filming equipment, then let me know in the comment section down below and I'll do that as well for you. So my second point is, don't wait or don't rely on your friends or family to subscribe to your channel. So you've done the first stage, you've opened your channel and you know you're thinking, oh my god, my friends are gonna subscribe to my channel, they're gonna like my channel, they're gonna do this, they're gonna do that. Listen, it does not always happen, okay? I started my channel thinking, oh my god, you know, I have like 2,000 something, you know, followers on Instagram, that's gonna convert to like, you know, subscribers for me and all that good stuff. I had high hopes, and yes, obviously, like I said, start your channel. Don't think about, oh, because you know your friends might not subscribe, that means you shouldn't start your channel. That's nonsense. Just start it and stuff. But then like people it's just like in business, yeah, your friends will not be the one to patronize you. It's going to be like outsiders, strangers. They will be the one to cherish you. They'll be the one to subscribe to your channel, watch your videos all the time. Because okay, so let's say your friends do and your family eventually subscribes to your channel. What are the chances that they're watching your video? They might not be watching a video, and it's one thing to subscribe, it's another thing to watch your video as well. So don't rely on your family. Just have that at the back of your mind that your friends and family might not subscribe. I mean, there are some great friends right there that, you know, they will go all out for you. They'll watch your videos, comment every time. But there's some people that, you know, they wouldn't do that for you. So just don't rely on them too much, okay? And guys, I'm honestly speaking for myself as well with this third point, because when I started, guys, I didn't have that patience. You know, I had all these expectations. My friends would subscribe. You know, I would get a lot of subscribers. I would get a lot of views. They'll watch my channel. I have a lot of things to offer. You know, that I'm gonna get. You know, first week, second week, the first month, bam, I'm gonna get it. Okay, that was my thoughts and stuff, but it did not happen. So I was, you know, losing a lot of patience, because naturally I'm not a patient person, which I should learn. I am learning to be patient, okay? So yeah, so from there I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna do another thing, yeah? So I decided to jump on the trend of Big Brother Nigeria, and from there I was getting a lot of views, a lot of subscribers that were not my friends, by the way. There were strangers, you know. Before a year, I think like 8 months to when I started my YouTube channel, I had like 5,000 subscribers. I had like 1 million views and stuff. And yeah, like I was really grateful. I was really happy. I think I was rushing because I felt like, you know what, YouTube is crazy. They might come tomorrow and start another rule, or you need like so amount of, you know, views now, or so amount of subscribers now before, you know, before you get monetized. So I didn't want to have to deal with that anymore. So yeah, I just, you know, dived in there. It did work for me. It worked for me. Jumping on trends did work for me. But yeah, like I said, it's not an overnight success. There are some people that are very, very lucky. I'm not gonna even lie. They put out a video today and they get 1 million views today. Like, those people, they're blessed, and I'm blessed as well. But our journey are different. Like, we're different people. We live in different countries and stuff. And don't compare yourself to another channel as well, because honestly, comparison is a thief of joy. You know, because someone else is doing better on the channel and you're doing the same thing, you have the same niche and stuff, and it's not working out for you. You're not getting as much views, and the other person is. That's that person's time. Your time is gonna come as well, where you're gonna be popping, where you're gonna be getting 1 million views, where you're gonna be getting like hundreds and thousands of subscribers and stuff, and that other person is gonna be looking at you as well, like, oh my god, this person is doing really well. So wait for your time. It's not an overnight success. Nothing is an overnight success and stuff. If obviously you post a video today and you get 200k views, good for you. You get 1,000 views today, you open your channel, good for you, great for you. Matter of fact, perfect. Like, that's what I'm praying for everyone literally on this journey. But yeah, it's not an overnight success, which leads me to the 4th point, which is do not give up. Okay, do not give up. If there's anything I have not given up on, is my YouTube channels. Literally, I'm telling you guys now, I had one of my channel got terminated, so I had to open another one. Imagine if I had given up because that other channel got terminated and I gave up on the first one as well. Literally, I'm not gonna be here telling you guys, oh, you know, things I wish I knew and stuff. So yeah, like, don't give up. It's gonna get to a stage where, you know, you feel like giving up. I had a couple of friends that I still tell, oh, you need to upload videos and stuff. You can't just give up and everything, because at the end of the day, it's gonna pay off. You're doing what you love, and that's one thing you need to have at the back of your mind. Yes, obviously, you need to pay bills, you need money to, you know, live a baby girl lifestyle, but at the same time as well, you need to be patient. You need not to give up, because if you end up giving up, then you're not going to be able to, you know, reach your goal, get that life you need, you want for yourself, you know, live the la vida loca lifestyle, get the baby life you want and stuff like that. So don't, make sure not to give up, because what YouTube is one thing I'm not giving up. I've given up on businesses, I've given up on boyfriends, I've given up on relationships and friendships and stuff, but YouTube is something I stuck with, and I'm so grateful because I'm not giving up. Obviously this channel I have right now as well is growing, but it's gradual, and I'm really happy with the growth. Like I'm not gonna rush it. What I'm telling you guys now is the process I'm trying to follow as well, because I mean, what sense would it make if I'm not following the same steps I'm giving you guys? So that's my 4th point. Guys, it's literally raining now so I have to hurry up, okay? So my 5th point is you need to be consistent. Amen. Amen. You have to be consistent. Sister, brother, auntie, uncle, you need to be consistent. And this is not just about YouTube. This is, you know, everything that has to do in life. You have to be consistent, because the more consistent you are, the more you get, you know, results, the more you get, you know, things you want and stuff. And guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is not an easy thing, because I mean, everybody comes on YouTube and says be consistent, be consistent, you consistent, everybody be consistent. But at the end of the day, you know, we're not as consistent as we should be. But I'm not gonna lie, sometimes you need that break. If you feel like you need a break, then definitely take the break, and once you come back, bam bam bam, like give it everything you have. I know last month I actually took a break last month, but once I got back on, like, I'm not trying to stop. Matter of fact, yeah, in order to help me, you know, be more consistent, put out more content, I planned on my phone the kind of content I'm going to put out for you guys from like September to November, okay? So that way it's easy for me. That way I don't lose focus. That way I'm not thinking, oh my god, what should I talk about? What should I, because if you have the niche you're doing on your channel, it's really going to help. So say for example, your channel is beauty, lifestyle, vlog, just like I'm doing as well. You can decide that, okay, do you know what? I'm going to be putting out 4 videos in a month. Maybe the first week you're putting out a vlog, the second week you're putting out a beauty content like makeup content, the third one you're putting out maybe another vlog, something like that and stuff. And then you plan it for the rest of the year, if like maybe every 3 months or every 2 months, and that's really going to help your channel. That's going to help you to be more consistent. And that's one thing I've done for myself. Like, you know what, I need to be more consistent. I need to get results. I need people to, you know, I need to be in everyone's faces. I need to be known. I need God to intervene on my channel. I need to blow. I need all these things. I need to live the baby girl lifestyle, okay? So yeah, you need to be consistent and stuff. And definitely, if you're consistent, then obviously that everything is gonna work out for you in God's favor. So yeah, those are my you know, 5 tips. I think I put in 6, like comparison as well. Yeah, so those are the things I wish I knew before I started my channel, but obviously I know that now, so that's why I'm giving you guys the information. So if you've watched up to now and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, sis, don't be ungrateful, okay? Subscribe to this channel, like this video, click the notification bell, all the good stuff. Anyway, so yeah, if there's any more topics you guys want me to talk about on my channel, let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, so I think this is the first time I'm actually doing something like this. Now I think I did something about, like, you know, 20s, but yeah, so anyways, let me know what you guys want me to talk about next on my channel, and I will definitely do that for y'all. I'll be back with more videos. Don't forget to like this video, okay? And stay easy breezy and beautiful. Bye guys.